All right, here is a trail called Bad Motor Scooter. Again, I have no idea what I'm getting myself into, but it seems like it should be fun. It's a black trail. You're all good.
Sorry.
Thank you. You're all good. Oh, sorry. Whoa. Yeah, it's hard to ride trail blind for sure. It's so dark in these woods. Oh God, these are very interesting jumps. They're very poppy but short. Definitely built by somebody who's more into dirt jumping, I think, because they just don't have that high speed jump feel that I'm used to. And I just keep coming up short on them. Oh. Nice. That's a cool little drop. Ooh, that is a big one. Hey. All right. Nope, didn't clear that. Oh man, these are so poppy. They really require a lot of push, and I'm just not a jumper. Oh. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe how terribly I'm riding these.